Hello everyone and welcome back. So today I just got back from nationals at like 4 a.m. and I got a little sleep, but this came and I wanted to open it. Also I got a Guanlong Square one, but I'm not gonna upload the unboxing because I don't care enough to. So there's a Diane 2x2 that's missing a couple pieces. It looks like old plastic, so that's good. I can get some replacement parts. And here we go. Chi 2x2. Axis cube. Turns a lot better than mine. Master Morphix. It's missing 2 pieces. But I have one that's missing pieces too, so that's good. It's a Rubik's cube. It's got like tiles, so I think it might. No, I don't know if it's a speed cube. Oops. Whatever. Windmill cube. I actually have this exact same one, so whatever. Fisher cube. That's missing a few parts. Chi square 1. Not even solved. Yeah, whatever. I don't know what brand of clock this is. I just got a Rubik's one, so I mean, I don't really care. This is a Aosu. I think it's a mini Aosu. Some mirror blocks. This turns a lot better than mine. Now I can get the unofficial world record. Some Pyraminx. I don't know what brand this is. I don't know. It feels really weird. I'll have to look at this more. Like the stickers are like textured. Megaminx. I'm pretty sure this is Shangshao and it's missing a sticker. It's really smooth. It feels like it's been lubed. There's a cube that hasn't been stickered. It's an Oolong. Pretty sure it's a, let's see, V2. Oh yeah. Whoa. This actually isn't too bad. It's a dollar store cube, by the way. Here's another gear cube. It looks different from mine. I don't know what's the difference. Oh, I think the stickers here and here don't go out as much. But I mean, it's the same thing. A Moyu cube. It actually turns better than mine. And I'm pretty sure it's been lubed. Shangshao 4x4. It looks like it's been modded in one small spot. And it's got the textured stickers, so it's kind of weird. A curvy copter. Yep. These colored mirror blocks. That's nice. Oh, here's a 2x2. I actually don't know what brand this is. I don't know. Maybe like a wit too. It's kind of tight. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Fangshi, like the illusion cube. These aren't too bad. A lot of people use them for OH. Here's a Scube. Oh, lovely. I don't know what brand this is. Probably like Shangshao or something. It's not good. Here's a... Whoa. They restickered this one. This one's actually got Fulbright shades. Yeah, Shangshao 5x5. Whatever. I don't think there are any more cubes in here. Something fell apart. Oh, wait, did it break? This cube might have broken. Just like dump everything out. Oh, look at that. There's a 1x1. Looks like they like cut off a corner. Oh, here's another 1x1. This one's actually like a, I think it's a cubicle one because this one's nice. Here's a cap for the, where'd it go? Master Morphix, so I guess it's only missing one cap. There we go, just one. Yeah, so it looks like there's some more pieces for the Fisher cube. I'm really good at keeping stuff on the table. But yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.